How to fix Windows product key not working. 1. Check internet connection. 2. Check then reset your time and date. 3. Check activation state and product key via MS settings activation. Launch the change option if needed. 4. Run Windows Activation Troubleshooter. 5. Activate Windows using command line, CLI. Run slmgr.bbs. IPKXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXX and contact your system admin. 7. Run system restore. 8. Downgrade Windows version. 9. Reset activation timer. Run 2 commands as admin, slmgr/dlv, note down the value of the remaining Windows rearm count, slmgr/rearm, reboot your PC.